Welcome back to the VintNerd. Today we're going to be fixing something. I have everything out that I need to fix. An Atari cocktail. All because I tripped over this glass on the interwebs. The Atari Cocktails glass with 6 recipes for 6 amazing game drinks for different games. And on this episode, we're going to have 6 because there's 6 recipes. So today we're going to be doing Adventure. And I'm looking forward to making the drink and then playing some Adventure. So let's do it. Okay, so the recipe is 4 ounces of Sambuca, 3 ounces of Advocaat, 3 ounces of Crème de Menthe, 2 ounces of orange juice, and 2 ounces of lemonade. And I gotta be honest, I am not a bartender. And you don't have to be either, because this will work out so much better. Let's just do this together and make a mess and see how this thing turns out. So first we've got 4 ounces of Sambuca. Let's see, I've got the Sambuca here. Glug, 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 glug. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? This whole spread here is all the stuff you need to make the 6 recipes that we're working on here. 3 ounces of Advocaat, and if you don't have that and you can't find it, because we could not find it, Mrs VintNerd made it herself. Ooh, that looks very sweet. Come on, there we go. 3 ounces of that. Next, we've got Crème de Menthe. Crème de Menthe. Crème de Menthe. We want 3 ounces, so let's see. Oh, green. Well, that makes sense. 2. And let's get to the 1 ounce side. Oh, there we go. Now we're making a mess. 2 ounces of orange juice. That's pretty easy. You can find that anywhere. 2 ounces. I probably got to get my skills up to spin these bottles and everything. Let's shake that a little bit, the lemonade. Some pulp right on the top. 2 ounces of lemonade. There we go. Okay, that's everything in there for Adventure. The Atari Adventure Cocktail drink. Let's see, just stir the ingredients. And a shaker filled with ice. So I've got ice in here, which you can hear. Wow, that's really green. Okay. Stirred, not shaken. Let's go ahead and filter out that. Whoa. Ooh. I'm sure it's good. It's good. It's going to be good. I know I've never ordered anything like this. I'm thinking radiator fluid. Oh my God. Sorry. Wow. Yeah. Mouthwash? Mouthwash and something else. Oh, God. God, I hope the game's better than that. So, let's... I've got... Sorry. I set this up the video. I've not had a sip of anything until this. It's bad. Okay, let's go play the game. Okay, I've got the Atari Flashback 2 set up here. And I actually haven't plugged this in until today. I got it a while back to try it out and been too busy with other projects. So this is a good chance to do this and bring up the adventure game. And the brand new Flashback joystick should work perfect. And we got our adventure drink right here. as best we can do. So adventure. So again, 6 recipes, this one being adventure. And we're going to play the adventure game, which I've got I've got a confession. I don't know how to play this game. This might be the first time I have ever played adventure. I've seen it in Ready Player One. Well, yep, nope. Everybody's yelling at me which way to go. Did I go up this way? Did I come from this way? Oh, no, yeah. Okay, well, this is an event. This is not where I was before. How do you play this game? Ugh. Dude. No, why did I hit the button? I hit the button. Okay. Wow, I didn't know this had, like, I think I came from there. No, like, music track. Guess that kind of stuff came out later. This is, oh, now I'm here. What am I, oh, I can go through, I put that where I want it? Do I want the key? I can only have one of these things? What am I supposed to do with this? Is this a gateway? What is this? Oh, well, I should go up there with the key, I guess. Yeah? No? Oh, this is not, cannot figure out this game in 3 minutes. I'm sure there's a lifetime of play to happen here. Well, I think I'm going to go play some more of this, and in the meantime, I've got some plans for this adventure drink. So join us for more videos on the Atari Cocktails Glass, where I make the other 5 recipes, and really hope the next one's better. So thanks for joining. Ciao. Ugh.